For this study session, we went through chapter 7, and we're actually at the
we talked about how the road to revolution started,
and the deep roots of how how there were taxes and like the Stamp Act, and we went through the different taxes with the Stamp Act and what caused afterwards, like the Stamp Act Congress and the non-importation agreements, and also the Townsend T Acts. And we just make sure that we had all our acts correctly in our mind, and what caused the act and what was the result of that act.
Yeah. And then we talked about the Boston Massacre that happened with the whole tea thing, and we looked at all the little pictures and the quotes and then the maps, so just in case there was any question like that on the quiz.
And also the First Continental Congress, we made sure that we had a differentiation between the first and the second, which comes later on in this course. And so just to make sure that our prior knowledge didn't get into the way of our First Continental Congress, and also about like all the bloodshed that happened with the different battles in Lexington and Concord.
Yeah.
And also with the thin line of heroes, we made sure that we had an understanding that the African Americans also had a part in this American Revolution, and there were heroes that were African Americans and not just white.
And we went over the PEPs because that was like the most important thing in the Road to American Revolution. And then we reviewed the questions for Chapter 7
in the back of the book. And also the Moodle questions that were online, so we can study for our Chapter 7 quiz as well.